Hello, good morning! Second day na namin dito sa campsite at nagluto ako ng toasty for the girls.
And for the boy as well, of course. So,
yeah, so kakain na kami at ano ba ang ating plano for the day?
For
Enjoy
today,
lang ang campsite.
mag-stay lang tayo dito sa campsite, no?
Ikot-ikot.
Ikot-ikot, mag-swim later, play yung mga bata, and all that stuff. Maganda yung araw. I think nag-shower content this morning, saglit lang, pero init na ng weather ngayon. So, okay na tayo yan for today. Set na tayo for today. Alright. Diyan ka lang sa amin. Pasyal ka namin dito.
Good morning neighbors. Halika, bisitahin natin itong mga bata. Busy dito mag-drawing. So, isa ito sa mga magandang gawin ng mga kids pag nasa holiday park or campsite sila. So, ito nga, 10 in the morning ata to. Ready na kami to go for a swim. At mga 2 minutes walk lang actually from our beach, yung swimming pool. So, let's go! Pagka busy yung araw, usually kailangan mo pa mag-book. Gaya nito, di naman masyado maraming tao. Pwede nang walk-in kami. So, kukunin lang nila yung pangalan ng isa sa amin just for reference and record keeping.
You have shower cubicles here, huh?
Oops, may nag-shower doon. So, iwas muna ni Daddy ang camera. At ito na nga ang kanilang outdoor heated swimming pool. You can see it's really nice. Merong mga object dyan na nasa gitna ng pool, kagaya ng floating boat and all that stuff. Kung mapapansin nyo, nakadapa sila Daddy at ang mga kids kasi malamig sa ibabaw at mas warm kapag ikaw ay nasa tubig.
So, napagod na ang mga bata at nagutom, ilamig sa pag-swimming.
Yes.
Kaya back na kami dito sa tent. At
For lunch.
For lunch.
Anong lunch natin?
I'm cooking rice and chicken again.
Wala ka tapos ng chicken, syempre.
Pero kumakain muna ang mga bata ng snack.
So yun yung for lunch namin. Mamaya, plano namin for dinner kasama ibang family. Sila din sa ano rin sila sa tent din sila mag-lunch ngayon. Or dito sa beach area. But for dinner, doon kami sa pub. Para diretso na party yung mga kids. May program for kids na party eh. May mascot, may ganyan, may dances, games, performances. 6:30 PM yun. Yun.
After lunch, punta muna kami sa blue building na yon kung nasaan ang soft play. But ito, pakita lang ni Daddy sa inyo yung iba pang play amenities na pwedeng paglibangan ng mga bata at ng buong pamilya. Meron silang golf dito, meron silang mga slide and all that stuff sa mga kids. Meron din silang summer bar which is open as it says during summer.
Well, naglalaro ang mga bata. You want ice cream?
Hey, when you want ice cream? Have a bite. You sure?
Sarap nito oh. Sarap na sarap si Daddy eh.
Oo.
Since hindi pa school break at weekdays din, nung nandito kami, wala masyadong tao. Wala masyadong bata. So kung mapapansin nyo, parang solo namin yung buong area. Pero pag dating ng Friday later on, ang dami ng tao.
Whoa, that was being close. Oh yeah.
So, yung mga ganitong holiday park ay talaga namang nakadesenyo hindi lang para sa buong pamilya, ngunit lalo na para sa mga bata na makikita nyong talagang nag-enjoy sila at maraming aktibidad na pwede silang maglibang at magsaya. Pero sabi ko nga, pang buong pamilya, so ayan, tingnan nyo ang mga daddies, tuwang-tuwa at naglilibang sa kanilang may mababang ring na basketball court.
Oh. Hey, man. Cheese!
So, ito, closer look kung paano natupad ang munting pangarap ng mga daddy na ito. Ang makadakdak sa isang basketball ring.
You know? Grabe, 10 feet. 10 feet na yung ring yan, ha?
Siyempre, nakijoin na din kami mga mommies at girlies. Kita nyo naman, ang daming space, ang luwang-luwang, solong-solo namin yung lugar. Konting enjoyment at papagod lang dito bago kami mag-relax doon sa pub kung saan magpa-party na ang mga kids at kakain na ang buong family.
Swimming again?
Nakita nyo naman kung gaano kagaling at kahusay sumayaw si Baby Jarrell. Walang makatalo sa kanya. Ang dami niyang practice siguro, tinuturuan siyang maigi ng parents niya.
Well done. Ate Haven, sway your hips.
At ito, bago pa dumami ang tao at bago mag-start ang official program, nag-enjoy naman sila dito sa dance floor for the kids. So, ito na nga, ongoing na yung party for the kids with the host and of course with the Monkey Tree mascot. Mapapansin nyo dito ang daming pamilya kasi during the day, yung ibang family, they will go out of the campsite or holiday park to see other places here in Cornwall. But perhaps if they can, they will come back here on time to catch this program for the kids. So, ito, nagpa-participate si Ate Haven at Baby Jarrell sa kanilang musical statue. At naawa siguro yung host kay Ate Haven, kaya siya yung nanalo at the end of this game. Well, she did well din naman kasi she really stayed still when the music stops.
Hello peeps, so end of our second day here, no? Second day, full day dito sa Holiday Park, Monkey Tree. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, what did you do today?
I danced.
You danced, and did you win? What game was that? Musical statue. Musical statue.
And?
And then?
Did you swim?
Did you swim as well?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy the swimming part?
Yeah.
Yeah? Was it warm or cold?
It was cold.
Cold, was it? Yeah. But when you are in the water, it's less cold. It's warm, isn't it? So that's nice. Yes, medyo nakakapagod yung araw. Pero enjoy. Dito lang naman kami sa Holiday Park eh. Spend time with friends as well. Basketball. And then food. Playground.
And I win. And I have a surprise.
You won a gift. A surprise, isn't it?
Yeah.
What was the prize?
Glasses.
Like mask.
Yeah.
Glowing mask, isn't it? I like it, na? Kunan mo ba sila? Softball? Soft play? No? You played in the soft play area as well, didn't you?
It's like blow mermaid.
It's like what?
It's like blow mermaid glasses.
Oh, yes, that's true. Yes, you played in the soft play area as well, didn't you? Was it fun? Did you try the tube slide? That was amazing, isn't it?
I tried it by myself.
Try by yourself, yes. So, let's
And I go very fast.
You go very fast, that's
It
right.
was very big.
It was very big, that's true.
And the slide was more in the bottom.
In the bottom, yeah, that's true.
It's that.
Yeah,
And the big slide was up there.
yeah.
And Katniss wants to go up. And
Katniss wants to go up.
Anya
Anya.
doesn't want to go down.
Anya wanted to go down. Yes, but there's those too small for the big slides, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. You can actually lead the vlog next time. Yeah? You talk a lot, eh? That's good. So we say bye na.
Bye.
Always remember to share a smile and spread the love.
Love.
Because life is delicious. See you in the next one. Bye. Kiss.